Krishne swadhamo pagate dharma jnanadibhi saha kalo nashta drishamesha puranarko dhanodita. This Bhagavat Purana, Srimad-Bhagavatam, is as brilliant as the sun, and it has arisen just after the departure of Lord Krishna to his own abode, accompanied by religion, knowledge, and so on. Persons who have lost their vision because of the dense darkness of ignorance in the age of Kali will get light from this Purana. Prior to his departure from this material world, Lord Krishna empowered Sri Vyasadeva through Narada to compile the messages of the Srimad-Bhagavatam, and thus both the Bhagavad Gita and Srimad-Bhagavatam are like torch-bearers for the blind people of this age. In other words, if men in this age of Kali want to see the real light of life, they must take to these two books only, and their aim of life will be fulfilled. Bhagavad Gita is the preliminary study of the Bhagavatam, and Srimad-Bhagavatam is the summum bonum of life, Lord Sri Krishna personified. Our founder Acharya Srila Prabhupada worked extremely hard in giving us this ultimate gift of Srimad-Bhagavatam, knowing well that this is the real remedy everyone needs today in our society in order to lead a purposeful life. Srimad-Bhagavatam is the answer to all questions. Srimad-Bhagavatam is able to bestow the highest benediction of loving devotional service unto the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Sri Krishna, just by regular recitation. The Bhadra campaign is a great opportunity to give this ultimate gift to one and all and attain the transcendental destination after this very life. Every word of Srimad-Bhagavatam is potent, and so this benediction we should take note of, given in the Srimad-Bhagavatam itself. Canto 12, chapter 13, text 13. Praushto padadyam paurnamasyam hema singha samanvitam dadatiyo bhagavatam sayati paramangatim. If on the full day of the month of Bhadra one places Srimad-Bhagavatam on a golden throne and gives it as a gift, he will attain the supreme transcendental destination. The month of Bhadra is the month which comes during the rainy season in India, the month in which the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Sri Krishna, appeared. So this statement of Bhagavatam says if one gives this Bhagavatam, there are certain conditions given, but it's been extended by the eager book distributors to encourage pious people to purchase sets of Bhagavatam during this month, or to get them to donate for their distribution in schools and whatever. So this Bhadra campaign is going on all over the world among the followers of Srila Prabhupada to distribute as many sets of Srimad-Bhagavatam as possible, and more. Go beyond the possible during this month of Bhadra. So we invite everyone to take part in this Bhadra campaign and get the blessings of Lord Krishna, go back to Godhead, and extend those blessings to everyone. Hare Krishna.